Hi friends, Pastor, this is RK from 360 Reader. It's time to learn how to rotate videos on iPhone and iPad. Thanks to the addition of several handy editing tools, Apple Photos app has vastly improved as a photo and video editor. That means you can now easily edit your videos and also rotate them as and when the need arrives. So if you're wondering how rotating video works on iPhone, let me show you how it's done the quick way. First and foremost, open the Photos app on your iPhone or iPad. Now head over to the video that you want to edit and select it. Then tap on the Edit button at the top. Next up, tap on the Crop button along the bottom of the screen. Then tap on the Rotate icon at the top left corner of the screen. Make sure to tap on the rotate icon multiple times until your video looks perfect. And when you are happy with your video, be sure to tap on the done button at the top right corner of the screen to finish, and that's pretty much it. So that's how you can easily rotate videos on your iPhone or iPad. If you found this video helpful, do like and share it, and I'll see you in the next video with more such handy tips and tricks. Till then, stay safe and have a great time. Bye bye.